Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to be a TikTok affiliate without 1K followers. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply open TikTok application on your phone, then click on your profile on the bottom right corner right here. Then now you will have to choose edit profile. After that, we'll show you this page. Here, as you can see in the business information, you can simply add your website. So click on this option right here. Then this message will pop out. Click on get started in order to make your account a registered business account. And this step is very essential in order to be available to put your website link. So click on get started. Now you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. So check this circle right here, then click on register. After that, we'll show you this page. Now you'll have to enter all these information, including the legal business name, country or region, address, province or state, city, ZIP code, phone number, etc. And after you finish filling in all these information, you'll have to submit for it. And TikTok will approximately take about 2 work days in order to review this application. And after that, your account will be considered as a business account. Then you can easily add your website to any video that you post. And of course, this website can be a store of yours or something that you advertise about. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.